Is there a shortcut way on how to create a scatter plot and trend lines? Yep, there is. Using a Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet, we can easily graph or create a scatter plot and graph a trend line. So just watch this. Yippee! Shortcut way on how to create a scatter plot and trend line, we were going to use a Google Sheet. So how to create a scatter plot and trend line using a Google Sheets. The first step, you must supposed to have a data or data. So for example, we have this data. It is the advertising data and the item sold per month. So we can have the variable X for the advertising month and item sold for the variable Y. The first step in here, we can put advertising in here. So let us type advertising. And then on the other, so the first step, we were supposed to have two variables. Okay, so in here on the given data that you can see below, we have the month, advertising, and item sold. So we will let X for our variables will be the advertising one, and then the Y for the item sold in here. So let us put the advertising and the item sold. Then let us just encode the, after you open the Google Sheet, we're going to encode all the datas. The first one, we have 45 and then 15. The advertising is the amount, that is the amount that being used. And the item sold, of course, obviously those are the item that being sold. Okay, next we have 55 and then 25. Let us just put first the data on the advertising. We have 45, 55, 47, 75, 90, 100, 100, 95, 88, 50, 45, and 58. Okay, and then we have the items sold. We have 15, 25, 17, 34, 41, 47, 50, 46, 37, 22, and 20. Lastly, we have 30. So we were going to let the advertising will be the X and the item sold will be the Y, our variable Y. So let me put X in here so that you can see the two variables that we use, and then the item sold will be the Y. Okay, that's it. So you may create also a table in here so that we will just make our table organized and presentable. Okay, so we can have this one, the borders. We may put borders 10, and then highlight the second borders 2. Then we will put them in the center. We're going to align them. Align. There you go. So we're going to align them at the center. Okay, and then separate this one. Let us highlight the data so that you can see them clearly. And then there you go. Very easy and simple. Okay, and then let us put some color on this, on the title. Okay, that's it. Step 1, you're going to open the Google Sheet and encode the data. Step 2, you're going to highlight the data that you encode and then go to the insert. We're going to insert a chart. Okay, take note the steps. And then you are going to look for a scatter plot or scatter chart. They call the scatter plot sometimes a scatter chart or scatter diagram. Take note of that. Then after creating a scatter chart, so you can see in here some data. Go to the customize because we're going to customize it. click the chart style. So it's up to you if you want to customize it. So let us customize it a little bit, okay, so that you can see it. And then go to the series. This one is very important. Go to the series, and then you will see in here a trend line. That's it. So this is now the scatter plot. Now we want to create a trend line. There you go. So that is the trend line. Then you may thicker the trend line, the thickness of the line. That's it. And then, Miss, can we have also the correlation measurement or the value? Yes, just click this R squared. Show R squared. So that is the correlation. The correlation is positive 96 or 957, 0.957 or 0.96. That means this is a highly positive correlation. Okay, Miss, can we also check the equation? Absolutely, yes. Okay, we can easily also find the equation in here. So just click, okay, just go to the custom under label. You will see a use equation. See, you can see the equation in here. There you go, there you go, there you go. And then we can just put the graph in here. Perfect. So that's it. So the equation is y is equal to 0.528x minus 5.32. The slope is 0.528. The y-intercept is negative 5.32. And the correlation is positive 0.96 or high positive correlation. And we're done. Please tell please listen to your teacher for the activity. Check your understanding, as we believe there's no retention in math without application. So hope you've learned on this presentation. Just comment down below if you still have question, or if you want more example, and enjoy while learning. See you again on the next video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Bye.